Welcome to Global Economic Press, where we deliver trusted global finance and economic news, analysis, and reports, empowering leaders and investors with reliable, timely insights. I'm your host, Alex Brady. In today's episode, we're diving into a groundbreaking partnership in the world of business communications. Vaspian, a cloud communications company from Western New York, has teamed up with BlueMesh. BlueMesh, a private artificial intelligence platform developed by Netstratum. Together, they're bringing secure private artificial intelligence to voice and messaging services, transforming how businesses understand their conversations. Stay tuned as we explore how this collaboration is set to revolutionize industries with sensitive and regulated information. Vaspian, the Western New York cloud communications company founded in 2004, today announced a strategic partnership with BlueMesh, the private artificial intelligence platform developed by Netstratum to bring secure private artificial intelligence to its voice and messaging customers. The partnership formalizes years of work and a multi-million-dollar investment that has quietly transformed Vaspian from a cloud telephone provider into a company that helps businesses understand, not just carry their conversations. Through BlueMesh, Vaspian analyzes the calls and messages flowing through its platform to surface compliance signals, customer intent, sentiment, and operational insight that used to disappear the moment someone hung up. Critically, it does this without a customer's data ever leaving a private environment or being used to train shared artificial intelligence models. 20 years ago, communications was about connecting people. Today, it is also about understanding the conversations themselves, said Greg Schreiber, Chief Executive Officer and co-founder of Vaspian. Every call a business has is full of intent, sentiment, and signals that used to disappear the moment someone hung up. We have spent years building the ability to capture that intelligence and to do it privately, on infrastructure we control, without ever using our customers' conversations to train someone else's models. We are not walking away from our communications roots. We are building on them. Why private artificial intelligence? Most artificial intelligence providers operate on a simple bargain. Send us your data, and we will send back intelligence, often using that same data to train models that benefit everyone else. For businesses in regulated or sensitive industries, that bargain is a non-starter. Vaspian's partnership with BlueMesh is built on the opposite premise. BlueMesh is designed around private deployment and complete data ownership, supporting cloud, on-premises, and hybrid environments with built-in data encryption, role-based access control, security guardrails, and the ability to run artificial intelligence models on infrastructure the customer or Vaspian controls. That architecture is what allows Vaspian to make a claim most artificial intelligence providers cannot. A customer's data is analyzed for that customer's benefit alone and never pooled or used to train shared models. For Vaspian's core markets, including debt collection, healthcare, and other industries where conversations carry sensitive and regulated information, that distinction is the entire point. The best technology partnerships aren't vendor relationships, they're collaborations, said Abdul Nazir, Chief Executive Officer of Netstratum. Vaspian didn't just adopt BlueMesh, their team has worked alongside ours daily, pushing the platform to handle the demands of regulated industries like collections and healthcare. That kind of partnership makes the product better for everyone who uses it. Together, we are proving that private, secure artificial intelligence isn't reserved for the largest enterprises. It can serve the small and mid-sized businesses that are the backbone of the economy. Built on a multi-year, multi-million-dollar investment, this is the product of a sustained transformation rather than a sudden pivot. Over the past several years, Vaspian has made a multi-million-dollar, multi-year commitment to artificial intelligence, including approximately $930,000 in private GPU and infrastructure, running artificial intelligence workloads on hardware Vaspian controls, a dedicated artificial intelligence engineering team, and recruiting investment to bring artificial intelligence fluent talent into the company. A multi-year co-development relationship with Netstratum, the team behind BlueMesh, shaping the platform's capabilities through daily collaboration. That investment sits on top of the scale Vaspian already operates at. More than 1,000 business customers across its voice and SMS product lines with its messaging platform alone, handling roughly 14 million text messages a month. Proven expertise. True, Collect Vaspian's artificial intelligence work did not begin in a lab. Its first production artificial intelligence product, TrueCollect, has been running across nearly 1,000 agent seats in the debt collection industry, one of the most heavily regulated, compliance-intensive environments in business. TrueCollect helps collections teams monitor regulatory compliance, surface risk, and improve agent performance by analyzing the conversations they have every day. That track record, in the hardest possible vertical, is what gave Vaspian the confidence to extend the same approach to new industries. Available now, analysis across industries today. Vaspian's BlueMesh-powered analysis is live and deployed with beta customers across multiple verticals, including trucking and logistics, healthcare, and service providers, such as information technology firms and managed service providers, with multiple beta customers in each. The capabilities now running on real customer conversations include all call transcription, generally available as Vaspian's call recording, plus feature, personally identifiable information, redaction to protect sensitive information automatically. Artificial intelligence summaries with call chapters, including sentiment scored chapter by chapter. Intent and entity detection to understand what a call was actually about. Structured data extraction, automatically classifying call types and enriching records with structured fields pulled directly from the conversation. In one live deployment, a fleet and logistics customer uses Vaspian to analyze inbound call recordings, automatically classify each call by type, and extract structured data from every conversation, turning a stream of phone calls into clean, queryable operational data without a person transcribing or tagging a thing. What comes next? From analysis to action, Vaspian describes today's analysis capabilities as the first stage of a deliberate arc to analyze, understand, then act. Today, the platform analyzes conversations and turns them into structured intelligence. The next stage is private retrieval, building secure knowledge systems on each customer's own data so the business can ask questions of everything it has ever discussed. Vaspian already runs this approach on itself. Its internal support system uses BlueMesh to unify back-office systems, network monitoring tools, knowledge base, ticket history, product information, and call recordings into a single private intelligence layer. On the heels of that come agents, artificial intelligence voice agents, SMS agents, and web agents, built on the same private platform and trained exclusively on a customer's own data. Vaspian is already testing smart, artificial intelligence-driven auto attendants and is in active development on voice agents for sensitive, conversation-heavy use cases. A fully featured multi-industry intelligence product is also in development, building on the TrueCollect foundation. The pattern is always the same, Schreiber added. First, you understand the conversation. Then you find the places where work can be automated or made better. Then you build something that acts on it responsibly, with a human in the loop where it matters. We are doing that in a sequence we can stand behind, not racing to ship something we can't support. Available to customers today. Vaspian customers interested in BlueMesh-powered analysis for their own conversations can contact their account team to discuss what is possible for their business. About Vaspian. Vaspian is a business communications company founded in Buffalo, New York in 2004. Serving businesses nationwide, the company provides business phone systems, call center software, predictive dialing, business messaging, speech analytics, and artificial intelligence-powered communication tools through a single platform. Built directly into the platform are real-time transcription, sentiment analysis, compliance monitoring, and conversation intelligence capabilities that help organizations gain more value from every customer interaction. Vaspian combines 99.99% uptime, transparent pricing, and 24/7 365 in-house support with an average response time of 9 seconds. The company's mission is simple: Make business communications easier while supporting customers with the same care and responsiveness they expect from their own teams. Learn more at Vaspian.com or call 1-855-VASPIAN. About BlueMesh. BlueMesh is a private, multi-agent artificial intelligence platform for enterprise workflow automation, developed by Netstratum. It enables organizations to design, deploy, and manage artificial intelligence-driven workflows and agents in private, on-premises, or hybrid environments, with complete data ownership, local model integration, and a human-in-the-loop approach. Learn more at BlueMesh.ai.